This is Project Dart Warrior, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. The Warrior is painted in full gloss Causeway Grey and Santorini Black, with black accents all round. Dart Warrior sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondar wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a wide body kit, 6-point external roll cage, 4 LED lights up front and 2 work lights at the rear, a front bumper with worn winch and a black steering guard. Inside, Dart Warrior features a Momo Quark steering wheel, hot white custom gauges, 2 Recaro Sportster front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward-facing jump seats at the rear. Each seat is finished in 2-tone single-stitch vertical diamond Ferrari Nappa leather. The rear of the seats are colour matched to the Ferrari leather in the same striking Bordeaux red. This 110 is powered by our LS3 Plus 565 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. It also features an array of modern conveniences such as Infinity Kappa sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout. This truly is a stunning example of a modern take on the 110. The higher horsepower engine, Recaro seats, 20-inch wheels and sports exhaust all create a superb GT-like pack which really gives this Defender an eye-catching look with performance to match.